Hi guys, I'm outside in the backyard of number 11 on Hebron Place. Beautiful backyard, massive backyard. You're looking at 736 square meters of backyard. Look at the size, granny flat, swimming pool, massive entertainment area. This one is someone who loves entertainment and you've got the barbecue area here. That's the rumpus area in here. Double lock-up garage, fully tiled, kitchen, stainless steel appliances, cathedral ceilings, downlights, recently painted, and you've got 3 bedrooms in here as well. That's the master bedroom with a walk-in robe and an ensuite. 2 other bedrooms over here. Beautiful natural sunlight coming in to the house. So if you are looking for something that doesn't need a lot of work, you can move in straight away. Give me a call.